Pryor, Chief Judge William Pryor, what some people call a conservative judge on the 11th Circuit, wrote this opinion where all three judges agreed that Mark Meadows is not going to get removal right now.
Yeah, I don't think that this is quite the holiday gift, Katie, that Mark Meadows was hoping for. It was, to put it mildly, a total body slam. As you say, this opinion was written by Chief Judge Pryor, who's not just something some people call conservative. He's a legendary conservative jurist, extremely conservative, and he had none of it with respect to Meadows' arguments. And to basically summarize what this long opinion says, Chief Justice Pryor just basically said, look, if you're the White House chief of staff, launching a coup is not in your job description. That's the opinion, plain and simple.
And so I'm going to lean into you as our resident Supreme Court guru. You think SCOTUS is going to take this up? Because you and I both know Meadows is going to appeal to the Supreme Court now.
Yeah, he'll certainly try. I don't think there's any chance that this case is going to be something that the Supreme Court's going to grant and rule for Mark Meadows on. This is going nowhere fast.
So DA Fani Willis has indicated, though, Neal, no plea deals for Meadows, Giuliani, and Trump specifically. Do you think that Meadows goes to trial, or does he go hat in hand asking for a plea deal?
You know, Meadows has always been very cagey about this. So, you know, I do think that this gives the district attorney in Georgia a lot of power over Meadows. And hopefully he will cut a deal, because at the end of the day, the truth has to come out. And there's been basically a huge cover up. And Fani Willis's strategy has been to try and flip people. And she has flipped certain people. But obviously the chief of staff is in the room where it happens. You know, he would be the most important person. But I suspect that Willis or Jack Smith won't do this without some agreement to jail time. What Meadows is accused of doing is unforgivable and can't be something that is just, you know, get a slap on the wrist just because you testify against Donald Trump, someone who I think most of us all know is already guilty.